I believe we would continue from where the current government stops, and together we will take our dear Ogun State to a greater height. As presented by my running mate, Dr. Ruben Abati, we have a blueprint that outlines our programs and policies. We will hit the ground running as soon as we are sworn in. This is your sure ticket for a government of the people. The Ejina Bayo, led Ogun State ESCO, is the legally recognized structure in the state, and INEC has complied by accepting our candidates list. Truly, the party is supreme, but it is not superior to lawlessness and impunity. At some point, the judiciary must intervene. That is what has happened in our case in Ogun State. Dear good people of Ogun State, I'm your son, your servant, and a true representative of the people. I am willing, ready, and able to serve you. I urge you to go all out and vote PDP. Ours will be a people-oriented government.
Burundi Kashamu has prepared this document. This policy document is titled Taking Ogun State to Greater Heights. Ogun State is great already, but it can be greater. Ogun State has made a lot of progress, but it can be great. It can make more progress. This is the state of Obafemi Awolowo. This is the state of FPO Abiola. This is the state of Daisho Lari. This is the state of Yoru Tolas. This is the state of Wale Soyinka. This is the state. I can go on and on. Great people. This state deserves the best. And with your cooperation, with your support, with your vote, Burundi Kashamu will take this state to greater heights.
Let anybody say whatever they like. They put Burundi Kashamu as the newly elected as our candidate for 2019 election in Ogun State.